My favorite beverage. Ask for it by name. This is a love poem in every state except Louisiana. At the bar, we walked in smash. We walked out smasher. I'm also an actor, so I like to be in Dixon plays. Waiting with Godot, the sequel. Soon. This is my daughter. She's an actress too. So, in Woodstock we have these bumper stickers. Welcome to Woodstock. Welcome to Woodstock. Gateway to. So I ran a weekly series at the Colony Cafe every Monday night for like 8 years. A labor of labor. There's a history of mental illness in my family. Quite possibly a future too. If I had to do it all over again, I'd really complain. If I had a nickel for every nickel I've had, I'd be even. I've never had a fatal accident. Invitation. I know this thing. It's at this place. Do you want to go? Okay, true story. Oh, can she get a minute?
Yes.
Oh, that's my minute. Oh, here you go, honey. So this is the first poem I ever published in Phonograph. And it's furs. Of furs. Yeah, that one, yeah.
We all need the sun, but everyone loves the moon.
2.5. First joke.
What does a chair sit on?
What about your thunder and lightning?
Thunder and lightning make a very good team.
Yeah.
Wise beyond my years. This guy. How about that one? That's awesome. Go ahead.
I lost my marbles and I cannot undo it.
Marbles down the toilet. How about this one?
The sky has a very high ceiling.
Yeah, that's a beautiful one. That will be our last poem.
Star between the clouds above the city.
And you see the stars above the clouds. One more.
One more.
Yes. What about that? I reached it.
I reached into the darkness and pulled out something light.
Beautiful.
Well,